Note to learner: this video provides content that will be hosted on the Ginnie Mae LMS in the near future. In this video, you will not be able to interact with screen content to include selecting pop-ups, launching resource hyperlinks, and answering knowledge check questions. Nonetheless, you will be presented with all of the content presented in the interactive e-learning training. Though the audio narration may request that you select items or buttons on the screen, please pause the video to read the content and then select play to continue with the video. When the video advances to a knowledge check, please pause the video and try to answer the question in your head. Select play to see the correct answer or answers to the question. Welcome to Using MFPDM. The purpose of this training is to present new issuers and new employees with a fundamental understanding of the new pool process associated with the Multifamily Pool Delivery Module, MFPDM application. Select Objectives to learn what you will be able to do by the end of this module. Select Next to continue when you are ready. In this section of the training, you will learn how to add a new pool for a construction loan, CL. There is an option to enter pool data manually or to import pool loan data. First, we will demonstrate how to use the Import Pool Data feature. Then you will have a chance to try it. We will guide you to perform the steps to add a pool by entering pool data manually. Please note, HUD Form 11705 provides the fields for the pool data. Select Next to continue. Let's explore how to import a pool. 1. Select the Add Pools button in the header section. 2. Select the Browse button under Import Pool Data File to locate a file containing pool loan data to import. 3. Select a compatible file. 4. Select Open. 5. If desired, select either or both checkboxes. Validate against Ginnie Mae business rules during import checkbox. This option is to run the validation process during file import. Override prior file submissions checkbox. This option will override all existing data previously entered for this pool ID, including pre-approvals. 6. Select Upload. Select Next to continue. Now let's look at how you manually add a pool. Select Add a Pool to start this Try It. When you have completed the Try It, select Next to continue. 1. Select Add Pools in the header section. 2. Select the Enter Manually button. This screen is an electronic version of the information for the HUD 11705 form. Note: all fields with an asterisk indicator are required and must be completed before the pool can be saved. In the remainder of this activity, some values will be added for you. In the MFPDM system, you will need to enter the information. 3. Enter the pool number. 4. Enter the issue date from the drop-down menu. 5. Select February 1st, 2022. 6. Enter the pool type from the drop-down menu. 7. Select CL, Construction Loan. 8. Enter the submission type from the drop-down menu. 9. Select Type 1, Initial Construction Loan. 10. Enter the pool tax ID. 11. Select the delivery date. Note: in date fields, a calendar displays from which you would select a date. 12. Enter the security interest rate. 13. Enter the PL/PN security rate. 14. Enter the maturity date. 15. Enter the custodian number/name from the drop-down menu. 16. Select U.S. Bank National Association. 17. Enter the ABA Federal Routing Number. 18. Select Texas Capital Bank. 19. Enter the account number. 20. Select the number. 21. select the Add button to add an escrow account. 22. Select Texas Capital Bank. 23. Enter the account number. 24. Select Add to add a subscriber. 25. Select the ABA number. 26. For the description, enter Highland Project. 27. Enter $10,000 for the position. 28. Select the appropriate box for the Certification and Agreement Form 1171-1B. Note: to save your entries, you must scroll to the top of the screen. 29. Select the Save button. Now check your understanding. The Loans screen provides a listing of the loans associated with a pool. If no loan is associated with a pool, you can add a loan. HUD Form 11706 provides the fields for loan data. Next, you will have a chance to try it. We will guide you through the steps to enter construction loan data associated with the pool we just entered. Select Add Loan Data to start this Try It. When you have completed the Try It, select Next to continue. 1. Select Loans. 2. Select Add Loans. 3. Enter the issuer loan number. In our example, we'll use 3554-666-554-33455. 4. Select the Mortgage Type drop-down menu. 5. Select FHA for our example. 6. Enter a mortgage interest rate. In our example, we'll enter 5.5%. 7. Enter the original principal balance. We will type $100,000 for the OPB. 8. Enter the unpaid balance. The unpaid balance in our example is $99,942.56. 9. Enter the principal and interest. Our P&I is $515.77. 10. Enter the number of years. We'll enter 40 years for our example. 11. Select the first pay date. We'll select February 1, 2022 on the calendar. 12. Select the last pay date. The last pay date in our example will be January 1, 2064. 13. Select the loan origination date. We'll select February 1, 2022 on the calendar. 14. Select the initial endorsement date. We'll select February 1, 2022 on the calendar for this example. 15. Select a prepayment provision option. We'll select the No radio button. 16. Enter the FHA/USDA case number. We'll enter 000000088554344 for our case number. 17. Select the loan type code. From the drop-down menu, we'll select FHA Multifamily. 18. Select the section of the Act from the drop-down menu. In our example, it is 207/223F, Refinance or Purchase. 19. Enter the identifier. We'll enter MFPDM. 20. Enter the name of the mortgager. We'll enter Mary Jones. 21. Enter the property site address. Let's enter 2586 Willow Lane. 22. Enter the city. We'll enter Coral Springs. 23. Select the state from the drop-down menu. We'll choose Florida. 24. Enter the zip code. The zip code in our example is 33063. Note: to save your entries, you must scroll to the top of the screen. 25. Select Save. Construction loan draws are submitted during the life of the loan that draws down on the mortgage amount of the project. The Draw History screen allows you to enter each draw issuance for the life of the construction loan until the conversion to the project loan takes place. The initial construction loan pool is considered the first construction loan draw submission. Each draw submission will have a different draw number and draw issue date. The system keeps a history of each draw issued in connection to a project until the pool converts. Next, you will have a chance to try it. We will guide you through the steps to enter draw data associated with the construction loan we just entered. Select Add Draw to start this Try It. When you have completed the Try It, select Next to continue. 1. Select Draw History Details. 2. Enter $90,000 in the Advance Amount field. 3. Enter $10,000 in the Requested Amount field. Note: to save your entries, you must scroll to the top of the screen. 4. Select Save. Now that we've completed and saved the data fields for the pool, the next step is to validate the pool loan draw data against a list of Ginnie Mae business rules. If issues with the data are found, MFPDM will display the associated errors and warnings at the top of the respective screen upon which the error originates. You will also receive an email notification in MFPDM. Select Validate to start this Try It. When you have completed the Try It, select Next to continue. 1. Select the pool. 2. Select Validate. Once a pool has passed the business rules, there are different options to submit pools from various locations in the MFPDM application. Select Submit a Pool to start the demonstration. Follow along as we demonstrate the steps. When you have completed the demonstration, select Next to continue. You can submit a single pool or multiple pools in bulk from the Pools and Loans screen. Option 1. Submitting pools and loans from the Pools and Loans screen. 1. Select the checkboxes next to the pools you want to submit. 2. Select the Submit button from the table header. A dialog box displays with the message that the pools will be submitted to the authorized signer. In our example, it is Pool DB0777. 3. Select Submit in the Submission of Pools to Authorized Signer dialog box to confirm the action. Option 2. Submitting pools and loans from the Actions column. 1. Select the ellipsis on the right side. 2. Select the Submit button from the header menu once the desired pools are selected. The Submission of Pools to Authorized Signer dialog box displays. 3. Select Submit to confirm the action. Option 3. Submitting pools and loans from the Pools Details screen. 1. Select the pool number from the pool list to display the Pool Details screen. 2. Select the Submit button from the table header. The Submission of Pools to Authorized Signer dialog box displays. 3. Select Submit to confirm the action. Once you select Submit, the pool will then be queued for the authorized signer to submit for certification. After the authorized signer selects the Submit button, they will follow these steps. First, enter the RSA PIN and secure ID when prompted. Second, select Submit to complete the process. A message will display stating that the pool is being processed. The authorized signer will receive an inbox message confirming the result of the submission. Please note, validations or submission for certifications are asynchronous processes and may take some time until updated data displays on screen. You can refresh by selecting the refresh icon on the screen at any time. However, the data will only display on refresh once the process is complete. Now, check your understanding. There are 3 types of instances for multifamily pools which require issuers to obtain pre-approvals from Ginnie Mae account executives, AEs. One instance is pools with a basis point spread that is outside the allowable range. Cross-default, cross-reference pools with shared FHA/USDA case numbers is another type. The third type is pools with balloon payments. You will see a new section on the Pool Details page in MFPDM for pre-approvals. Follow along as we demonstrate the steps. Select Request Pre-Approval to start the demonstration. When you have completed the demonstration, select Next to continue. 1. Navigate to the Pool Details screen of the newly created Pool and Loans and select the pool. 2. Select the Edit button in order to enable editing. 3. Navigate to the Pre-Approval section. 4. Select the Yes radio button for the pre-approval types needed. There can be multiple pre-approval types in one request. Regardless of the type you select, you will need to complete the fields for the date, project name, and the request reason, as well as upload the relevant documents. If one of the pre-approval conditions applies, then the business rules may trigger fatal errors on the pool and/or loan details screens. The messages will appear on screen directing issuers to submit a pre-approval request. 5. Once all information is entered, select Yes for the pre-approval. Scroll to the top of the screen. 6. Select the Save button. 7. Select the Validate button. 8. Select the new Request Pre-Approval button on the header menu. If there is more than one request within the pool, all requests will be submitted. Issuers and account executives, AEs, will receive a notification confirming the request was sent to the AEs for approval. Once the pre-approval request is sent to the AE, the pool and loan remain editable for the issuer except fields related to pre-approval. To filter out and search for pools with pre-approvals on the Pools and Loans summary screen, select the Pending Pre-Approval Quick Filter button. You can also select Advanced to search for further filtering by pre-approval type and pre-approval status. Issuers will receive AE response notifications and be able to view the pre-approval status on the Pool Details screen. If approved, select Validate to clear any pre-approval related fatal errors and proceed with pool submission. If declined, review the pre-approval and update or remove as needed. If the pre-approval sections have been completed but are not yet submitted, you can remove the pre-approval request by changing the selection option under Does this require pre-approval from Yes to No. A confirmation window will display. Select Yes, Discard Changes to confirm, or select Cancel to keep all data in the request. Select Next to continue. Once a pre-approval request has been submitted to the AE, you can cancel it if the AE has not yet responded. Select the Cancel Pre-Approval button on the header menu. An alert window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to cancel the pre-approval request. Select Next to continue. Select OK on the Cancel Pre-Approval confirmation window to proceed. A notification will be sent to the issuer and AE confirming the pre-approval request has been canceled. If there is more than one request within the pool, all requests will be canceled. Note, you can edit, remove, or cancel pre-approval requests for pools in draft status. Once a pool is submitted for final certification, changes to pre-approvals require you to recall the pool. Select Next to continue. You can generate and print forms and reports from the following screens: Pools and Loans, Pool Details, Loans, Loan Details, and Draw History Details. The forms and reports available include the following. Select Next to continue. To access forms and reports for a pool, 1. select the plus More button. 2. Select the Docs button. 3. Select the desired report. To generate a form report from the MFPDM Pools and Loans screen, 1. Select the ellipsis button beside each pool. 2. Select the Docs button. 3. Select the desired report. A PDF file of the document that was selected will be generated. You can view, save, and print the document. Select Next to continue. There are 3 ways to export pool and loan details from the MFPDM Pools and Loans screen. Select Export Pool Loan Data to start the demonstration. When you have completed the demonstration, select Next to continue. Exporting multiple pools. 1. Select MFPDM Pools and Loans. 2. Select the checkbox on the rows of pools to be exported. 3. Select the Export button. 4. Select the X next to a pool number on the Export Pools dialog box to exclude it from being exported. 5. Select the Export button in the Export Pools dialog box to confirm the action. The pool and loan data will be exported in a text file .txt format to the default browser download directory. Exporting a single pool. 1. Hover the cursor over the far right side of the row of the pool to be exported. 2. Select the ellipsis when it appears.
3. Select the Export button.
3. Select the Export button in the Export Pools dialog box to confirm the action. Export via pool or loan details. Pool and loan information can also be exported using the Pool Header menu options in the Pool Details screen. 1. Select a pool number to open the Pool Details screen. 2. Select the plus More button from the header. 3. Select the Export button. 4. Select the Export button in the Export Pools dialog box to confirm the action. The pool and loan data will be exported in a text file .txt format to the default browser download directory. Please note, the number and selection of actions available directly from the header depends on the screen selected, pool status, and other factors. As such, the plus More button may not be shown. If the button is not shown, select the Export button. Now, check your understanding. The goal of this training is to provide new issuers and new employees of existing issuers a fundamental understanding of the new pool process associated with the MFPDM application. You learned how to navigate through MFPDM to perform important tasks. These tasks included adding pools and loans and entering pool and loan data by populating forms 11705 and 11706 within MFPDM. Other tasks you learned about included adding data to the Draw History Details screen, applying business rules validation, and submitting a pool. You also learned how to request or cancel a pre-approval, generate forms and reports, and export data. Select Objectives for a review. You may use the Exit button to leave this presentation at this time.